The 600,000-litre district heating project at the Wits University Junction student residence continues to exemplify the success of a solar cogeneration project and how a relationship with Austria is being developed through a partnership facilitated by the South African Solar Thermal Training and Demonstration Initiative. Simone Liedtke, who visited the site, gives us more insights.
While the aim of SolTrain is to support the target countries in changing from a largely fossil-based energy supply system to a sustainable supply structure based on renewable energy, Black Dot Energy renewable energy engineer Wally has said that the true beauty of the project was found in how the relationship with SolTrain bore fruit with investment in industry training and investment systems that enabled the industry to talk about district heating. He also tells us a bit more about this specific installation at the Wits Junction residency.
The beauty of the whole storytelling of today was being able to stand in the success of this district heating solar cogeneration success story, which was documented in Engineering News in 2019. But being able to tell the storyline of how this whole relationship with the Austrian investment in the South African industry and particularly myself, evolved from doing a little small 500-litre commercial system for Zuid-Afrikaans Hospital, the first solar thermal system that I did as a demonstration system, and how that relationship and education and investment from the Austrian industry in training and demonstration systems actually enabled us to be at this site and talking about the district heating over the last decade and how it evolved from 500 litres to 5,000 litres to a 10,000 litre system for Wits residences to what we're seeing now, a 60,000 litre solar district heating system, and how that came about. The beauty of the district heating and what we've been able to prove with the technology and what makes this so unique is thermal energy is, in my opinion, completely underestimated in the South African economy. People think of solar as being a rooftop geyser and shower water, where the amount of heat that is consumed in the South African economy in industrial heating, and majority of that heat below 100 degrees. It's insane how much coal-based power is being used in generating thermal energy. What makes this system unique is the fact that we were able to prove that district heating is viable in South Africa. This specific installation is 2 kilometers of thermal energy being moved across this campus. Shows us that the technology is ready to be uptaken by industry as well. Because if we can move thermal energy, which is so cheap, it's a bit of plumbing, it's a bit of water and liquid, but we can move thermal energy over vast distances. And also, obviously, we can store thermal energy. People have always had the concept that renewables is challenging because it's intermittent. Now we've shown we can store it. It's accessible at any point over a 24-hour cycle, and we can move it in huge quantities over vast distances. And I think that's what really made this specific district heating so special.
Weber also gives us some more insights about the Austrian investment and how it influenced the success of the project.
The Austrian investment, I like to really refer to that as a relationship more than financial. People think the moment you talk about financial investment, oh, so the technology is not viable, you need money. The Austrian investment has been a decade of a relationship building. So the first SolTrain program started with training a handful of individuals. And in fact, that training was for free. And it was on the principle of train the trainer. And that helped the whole process of getting momentum to train the industry on solar thermal. The investment has been in training. It has also been, so we now have had 4 SolTrain cycles. And this last cycle is in fact €1 million per year being invested in demonstration systems. Not loans, but as donor funding to demonstration systems. So the investment has really been for the South African industry, not just in terms of funding a few systems, but education, support in rolling out demonstration systems. Just on this site alone, we've had more than 240 visitors to come and see and experience the success story of solar thermal. So that is really just, for me, a better summary of what we've had with this decade of Austrian investment in solar thermal specifically.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next time for more news and insights into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.